Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back in our online English class. From today we are going to start our creative writing, and in creative writing today's topic is my pet. So today we will write an essay on my cat. Okay, in my pet our topic is my cat. So please take out your copy, hold your pencil and get ready for the essay. Okay. Now we are going to start essay on my cat. My pet and topic is cat. Okay, let's start writing. I have 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 a cat. 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 Always put full stop at the end of sentence. I have a cat. मेरे पास एक बिल्ली है. Now come in the second line. It's ITS. Its name. 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 ISMANO. Put a full stop at the end. Its name is Mano. उसका नाम मानो है. Now come on the third line. It's ITS. It's color. COLOUR. Color. IS is white. WHITE. Put a full stop. Its color is white. उसका रंग सफेद है. It likes TO2 EAT eat. MEAT meat. Again put a full stop at the end. It likes to eat meat. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? उसको गोश्त खाना पसंद है. Now come in the next line. I love my cat. Put a full stop at the end. I love my cat. मुझे अपनी बिल्ली से प्यार है. Okay. Now one time we will read it again. Read my pet. I have a cat. Its name is Mano. Its color is white. It likes to eat meat. I love my cat. I hope all of you have finished this work with me. Now please learn it and try to keep it in practice at home. I will come soon with my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.